loaded taco Doritos. Now I've had like a little bit of tacos. That means the tacos I like is just the taco shell and beef and turkey in the middle. That's kind of the taco I'd like. But this is taco flavored Doritos. Maybe one of these days I might actually try a taco with the fixings, except for cheese. I don't like cheese. I don't like cheese any in particular, but I do like it on pizza, which is ironic. Ooh, this kind of smells like spicy tortilla chips. Oh. Mm-hmm. 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 Yep. Definitely I can definitely taste the spicy. I definitely taste the taco like the lettuce and beef tacos I would usually have. Mm. I think I prefer the blue Doritos. The blue, blue ranch Doritos, yeah.